We're getting closer to the launch of the Galaxy S24 series, and there are a lot of rumors and leaks about the device. Recently, there were supposed hands-on images of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Initially, there were rumors that the Galaxy S24 Ultra might have a completely flat display like the other phones in the series. However, new information from South Korea suggests that there might be a slight curve to the display after all. According to a rumor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's display won't be entirely flat. There could be a noticeable curve of 0.3 to 0.4 millimeters on the bezel. While this isn't a big change, it might give a feeling at hand that the display isn't completely flat. The top and bottom bezels are said to be the same size, and they're claimed to be half as big as those on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. If this is true, it means the bezels will be much slimmer than on any other Samsung flagship. The left and right bezels are said to be the same size as the Galaxy S23 Ultra. We can't be sure about this information until we see official images of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung is expected to reveal the Galaxy S24 series at an event on January 17, 2024 in San Jose, California. I really like flat screens ever since I got my Galaxy S22 Plus. Even though this phone doesn't support the S Pen, I realize how much better it would be if Samsung paired it with flat display. We're not sure if the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have any extra improvements for the S Pen, like better accuracy or lower latency. But for S Pen enthusiasts, it's a big advantage to use their favorite accessory across the entire display without worrying about it slipping over a curve. Personally, I got used to not having an S Pen on the S22 Plus, and I might upgrade to the S24 Plus next year. But if I wanted to reintroduce the S Pen into my smartphone routine, I'd likely choose the Galaxy S24 Ultra based on what I've seen so far.